Take me to the sea, wash away my worries, let my soul be free.
We are on the move from Warderick Wells and headed to Staniel Cay for a short little swim with the pigs, some fuel, maybe hang out for a day, and then we're going down to Great Exuma, I think Stocking Island, to board out the blow this weekend.
Mama's at the wheel. Scary, huh? We're going about 6.3 knots and about 8 knots of wind. The seas are very calm today. But we just passed our waypoint. You can't see the screen. Just passed the waypoint, so we need to make a hard right in a minute to head to Staniel Cay. But we have made it 15 minutes out of the Warderick Wells Land and Sea Park, Exuma Land and Sea Park, which means we can technically fish. We're way past our waypoint.
What are you doing?
I was yelling at you. I think we need to get your ears checked.
Well, okay. That's not very nice.
I yelled at you 3 times. So.
Well, did I hear you?
So Skip's rigging up the lines to see if we can catch some mahi for dinner tonight.
All right, we're gonna catch some fish on today's adventure. We're gonna start with putting some lines out. This one is our Scooby lure. We painted it. Peter Fly. A fish dance. You got a fish dance? No?
One seems like a lot of work. Maybe. Ma came to our boat out of nowhere.
Touch it.
I don't want to touch it.
I'm touching it.
Maybe he saw that we got butterflies. And he keeps coming back to our boat. And now he is hovering right over our new babies. And I'm not sure if this is like a survival of the fittest thing. Where did he go? We have arrived at Staniel Cay. And we selected a mooring ball, and it shows that we are actually a half a foot from hitting ground, but we are at low tide, so hopefully this is the lowest tide it's going to be. So I'm already ready for a sundowner.
Right off of Thunderball Grotto. Thunderball Grotto. We have dinner at 6:30. Someone's happy. And we are 0.3 of an inch under our keel right now. Hello.
We have arrived at Staniel Cay. We didn't think we were going to make it. Our plan was to go north to Nassau, but we made it because of the weather. Instead of being dictated by travel plans, our travel plans are dictated by weather.
Are you excited?
Dad, you get out and not track right there.
Stay over here, there's a current. Look up.
Is that cool? Fine.
Swim under and get out over there. What do you think of that, dude? See how it's pulling us this way? You gotta stay over here more. Look, it's gonna pull you towards these rocks.
Welcome to Pig Beach at Big Measure. The original swimming pigs, the OG. We have finally made it. And there are also a boatload of pigs. Oh my goodness. He's gonna poke a hole in our dinghy if he does that to us. Oh. We have food. I'm a little scared to get out, I'm not gonna lie. That pig's trying to get on that boat. You see another baby pig?
Yeah.
Oh. Should we just throw our stuff in and be gone? How close do you want to get to swimming with the pigs? What should we do, Hudson?
Nothing.
Should we go to the beach?
No. I like that.
We're gonna get pooped on! Okay. We better go. Throw it. Okay, be gone. Hurry. Okay, save some for the other side. Save some.
Oh, Dad!
Did he just squeal? Okay, get out. He's gonna get out our dinghy. Did he just squeal at us? I think he did. He said, thank you. Thank you. Hello, piggy.
Oh, bird.
Oh.
Oh, Dad!
Oh, back it up. Throw it in.
He has the big pig.
Okay, way too close.
Throw it.
Oh my gosh, these are a little bit aggressive piggies. Oh, go! He's gonna put his feet on our dinghy.
Hi.
Would you get in the water and swim with them? I don't know if I would you? Would you swim with the pigs?
You want to swim with? You want me to go swim with?
I'm afraid they're gonna dunk me. But we are gonna go back and blow up our water toy, which is a floating boat with an ice chest on it off of Amazon, and we're gonna run and jump off the back of our boat. What do you say?
I'm just gonna jump. I'm gonna run.
Look at below. Shark right below you, hon.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, another one. If it's come one, we're gonna have some fun tonight.
Give me countdown. Get your toe off now.
Just a blast and soon we'll be stuck in the past.
We were waiting for the fuel dock this morning, and it's stacked up, boat after boat. So we have decided to go to shore and have some breakfast. There's a tropical storm heading somewhat in this vicinity within the next 2 days. So we are hightailing it further south to get out of the way. The kids have found some fun here at Staniel Cay Yacht Club.
Okay, just stop. Just stop.
The waitress has confirmed that this has held some weight before, so she said not to worry.
That one's like so heavy. That is so heavy.
That one is heavy. It's like a weight, like an anchor. Can you hop on, Hud? You need help.
You need
You
help?
gotta jump and cross your legs. Jump.
Okay, now stop pushing. What do you think about your idea? Good. Finn has found a great idea. Now I'm gonna be on my own walking to the gift shop.
Gift shop's this way. Right, here's a little info on the Staniel Cay fuel dock. It is a first come, first serve fuel marina, and it's a very long wait. So it pays to either be the first one sitting on the dock waiting for them to open at 8 a.m. or just find a lull when nobody's at the dock and swoop in and get your gas, because we've been waiting a very long time and these fishing boats take thousands of gallons of gas and we've been waiting and waiting and waiting. We need some fuel so we can just top off the tanks to head down to Great Exuma, and then we'll be off, dodging the storm. Breakfast and lunch, there's no reservations required, but for dinner you must have a reservation, and you have to email your order of what you would like before they will accept your reservation. There's 2 seatings, one at 6:30 and one at 8:30. The food was actually quite good, and we are on a journey to dump the trash.
Staniel Cay, which was delightful. We got some gas. And we got some diesel. Lots of diesel. $1,000 of diesel. But it was our first fill up. Setting up the fishing poles. Just leaving Staniel Cay.
That's the fishy.
It's a long fishy with a pointy nose.
Fish on!
Slow down, slow down.
Fish on, fish on! Water neutral. We got fish on! Hopefully it's a mahi-mahi.
Finn, fish on!
Do we need an ice bucket?
No, just
Did I get it?
I don't know, he's gotta try to reel them in.
I got the nut protector on.
The nut protector.
Barracuda!
Ooh, barracuda!
Barracuda.
Barracuda, you need pliers? Where's the pliers? You don't have a life jacket, Missy.
Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Nana, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash the thumbs up button.